What's up, you guys? It's JBunny and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back for yet another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 8 new ways that you can use your laminator to stay organized at home. If you guys have watched any of my previous videos, you know that I recommend using the laminator to laminate photos to put into resin. But ever since buying my laminator, I have been using it almost daily to enhance my life. It is so freaking useful. All right, you guys, I have my laminator right here on my table. I'm heating it up so that it's all nice and warm, ready to use. I also have my box of Amazon laminator refills in here. These are all of the laminator papers. Side note, you guys, make sure you check out the link in my description and the special notes, you guys, down in the description. I link all of the products I talk about in today's video down below. Also, you guys, for today's video, I'm doing a special link over to my website so that if you guys want to download any of these same printouts that I'm about to talk about, make sure you check out the link in the description. I did a blog post featuring all of the printouts, so if you guys want to print out these same printouts, they're available for you guys all in one shot down below. Okay, you guys, for today's tip and trick, you will be needing your laminator refills. You're also going to be needing a whiteboard marker, and then the last thing, of course, you're going to be needing is your computer and a printer to print the following 8 printouts. The first way you can use your laminator is going to be as a planner. The first thing I printed out is this monthly printout. I used Poster My Wall, and Poster My Wall is so great, you guys. You can customize any template you find on there and print it and download it for free. Here I also printed out this cute weekly planner. I absolutely love this design. For these two, I felt like they go together because you're going to be planning your month and your week, and all you're going to go ahead and do for this first sheet is you're going to put them back to back. You're simply going to take the laminator sheet, put your creatives inside. You're going to make sure they're nice and matched up like this. I have my laminator right here. I have my lamination sheet. You simply feed it through the laminator, closed end first. Basic procedure. If you guys already own the laminator, you know about this, but if you're new to the laminator, it's as easy as that. And then it comes out here for you guys right on the other side. This tip and trick for the laminator is so great because ink is so expensive, and printing out these cute printouts can really add up over time. But with the tip and trick on the laminator and the whiteboard marker, you guys are going to be able to reuse all of these sheets over and over, day in and day out. And the next thing that I found that I thought would be helpful, daily to-dos. This is just a generic to-do list. This one is called My Plans for the Day. So once again, you're gonna line up your sheets back to back. Take another laminator sheet, and I'm gonna put it right inside my laminator sheet like this. And then I'm gonna simply run this one straight through my laminator again. The next tip and trick I wanted to share with you guys that is great for using your laminator is grocery shopping, and you guys can do this in 2 different ways. One, once again, I found and I printed offline, but the second one I made myself over on Google Spreadsheets. And I'm going to show you guys right here on the screen right now how you make it. It is so freaking easy, and this is a really basic setup. Of course, you can use Google Spreadsheets to create an even more elaborate printout if you guys like, but for my grocery shopping, it's already hectic enough, so I wanted to keep my list and helpful tools simple as possible. Here is the finished product. After you do your shopping, of course, you can use your weekly meal planner to use the ingredients that you bought. These two go together. They're like a little pair, and I put them back to back. Here they are inside of the sheet, and I'm going to run this through the laminator. For my last 2 tips and tricks and ways to use your laminator, I wanted to do something fun, and so I found 2 games that are great to be used over and over. You can use these games when you're bored at your house, maybe when you're on a road trip. I printed out a tic-tac-toe board which has 6 different games. That way you can play 6 games before having to erase the games that you've played. And I also printed out this this awesome Hangman triple decker game so you can play 3 games of Hangman and have lots of fun. So again, the 2 games are a pair. I'm gonna put them together back to back. I put them right here into the laminator sheet, and now I'm gonna run this one through the laminator. So now that the lamination part is done, I'm gonna show you guys how to use these, and that is utilizing this whiteboard erasable marker. So right here you have your tic-tac-toe board. You have it out, for example, putting the X's, the O's, the X's and the O's, the X's and the O's. Now to show you how easy the marker comes off, you can simply take a wet towel, and as easy as that, you guys, look, all of the marker just came off. Our tic-tac-toe sheet is good as new now. You can do the same thing to play Hangman. To play Hangman, the person that's in charge picks a word. I'm gonna clue you guys in. My secret word is cat. Shh. Don't tell the other person. So yeah, I would have the word cat in my head. I would put 3 lines, and then they would start guessing letters. For example, they would say, okay, I guess S as my first letter. You simply cross out the S right there on your sheet and start building your hangman. Every time they get a letter right, like let's say they picked C, I cross it out, put it right there on the board. Every time they get it wrong, they picked J, I draw another body part. So if they get all the body parts like this, if you get the hangman, it's a lose for them. But if they guess the word cat, it would be a win. To show you guys again how easy the marker comes off, you just wipe your sheet like that, and you're ready to play another game of Hangman. Here is the daily planner. Oh my god, this one came out so freaking cute. Alright you guys, here is the to-do list and how easy and effective it is to use and useful in your daily life. Here on my to-do list, I put cleaning, shopping, and laundry, which I got all done, so I checked in my little check mark there. And then I also put gym, vet visit, and a book report, things I still need to do. Once again, this is totally wipeable, but keep in mind a to-do list is something that obviously you want to keep more than 5 minutes. So to write your to-do list, you just write it on and then you put it to the side within less than 5 minutes, just like 3 minutes or something like that. The marker will be dry to the touch, so you don't have to worry about this marker transferring to your clothes when you're like carrying your to-do list around with you. It's totally usable for taking with you on the go, but then once again, even when it's dry, it's a very easy just to erase it with a wet towel when you're ready to erase it. Here is the monthly printout. I wanted to show you guys how easy this one is to use. This is so great because you don't need to buy a 12-month calendar. You can literally use this for years to come and just change it every single month. You write in the little month right here, and then you write in the dates corresponding to where they should go. Like this month started on a Monday, so I did the 1st on a Monday and went all the way down to the 28th. You're not going to be wasting paper. Save the planet, you guys. I absolutely love this tip and trick. Then of course on the other side you have your weekly planner. So as you go through your month, you can also update the other side to do more specific things that you need to do Monday through Sunday. Now we have our last 2 sheets that are super useful in my daily life. That is the meal planner and of course the grocery shopping list. Over here I put in just Sunday's list. I put some oatmeal, salad, then you can put maybe what protein you're gonna have for dinner over here, or hey, if you're gonna have takeout, you can put takeout right over there. I love using my weekly meal planner and putting it over in my kitchen because it just keeps me super focused and you don't have to think to yourself, oh my god, what am I gonna make today, because I have it all ready and done already. I have my grocery shopping list. I chose yellow. I can actually see it super clear in person. I know the camera, it's kind of like hard to see because of the glossiness, but up close you can see. Over under meats, I have chicken and beef. Under cleaning products, I put Clorox. Under miscellaneous, I put pet food. So yeah, you guys, this is super convenient to bring with me to the grocery store, especially during these 2021 times where it's still crazy. You can sanitize your laminated sheets when you get home, so you're always sure to keep things clean and sanitized and germ-free. So once again, just to show you one more time, if you messed up on your list, or you know what, these are reusable, so you're gonna be using them every week, you simply take that wet paper towel And yeah, you guys, that marker is gone in a jiff and your laminator sheets are looking absolutely perfect. That's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed these random tips and tricks on how to use your laminator to become more effective in your daily life. I really find these 8 different ways to use my laminator super helpful, and also you're saving the environment by saving paper. Comment down below what else you guys use your laminator for. There's a lots more ideas out there, I'm sure, so comment down below. Thanks again for joining me for another video, and I'll see you back for next week's video. Bye guys!